Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Plug a USB-C cable into your Xbox controller and your PC for wired play. Windows 10 and Windows 11 will usually install drivers automatically. If you prefer wireless, hold the controller bind button and pair through Windows Bluetooth settings. For best performance and lower latency, use the Xbox wireless adapter for Windows. The adapter provides a stable connection and supports up to 8 controllers. Check the controller's battery level before extended sessions to avoid sudden disconnects. Open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox Accessories app to update firmware. Connect the controller and follow prompts to apply firmware updates safely. If the controller does not appear, open Device Manager and reinstall or update the controller driver. Check Windows Update for optional driver packages and install them. Reboot your PC after driver changes to ensure proper initialization. Firmware and driver updates resolve connectivity and input issues in most situations. Calibrate analog sticks using Windows Control Panel Setup USB Game Controllers utility. Open Steam and enable Steam input either globally or for specific games. Use Steam Big Picture mode to visually remap buttons and adjust trigger curves. Set a 10% dead zone to prevent stick drift and test sensitivity with the calibration tool. If a non-Steam game needs mapping, add it to Steam as a non-Steam game, then configure custom bindings. Save profiles to the controller if supported, and switch profiles per.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.